Hello my lovely flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. Today I wanted to share with you how to cut and condition daffodils before you set them in arrangements. Most of you may already know that daffodils give out a little sap at the bottom when you first cut them. And that sap is actually no good if you put them with other flowers. It's going to choke them out. Now if you're making a bouquet of just daffodils, that's great. You could just have a whole bunch in one vase, and that's fine. You don't need to follow this process. However, if you are arranging them with other flowers like I do, you would need to set them aside in water. Before I continue on, I wanted to share something real quick. This is how I cut the daffodils to get the longest stem, go all the way down into your plant and cut, so you could have the longest possible stem. These are particular variety is called Devon daffodils and are slightly fragrant. These three that are closed right now is the condition that I recommend cutting them in. I have these two only to show what they're going to open up to be. Once they start showing a little bit of color, that's when I cut them. However, if the color is a little bit hidden like this one, you can still cut it and it's going to still open and be fine. Some people I've seen cut it when it's much greener than this, and it still does its thing and still opens. I feel safe here. Once I cut them, I leave them in water for about 4 hours, just covering their stems. Now, most of the online advice that I have read states that they should be stuck in the water for about 24 hours. I have done that and I have not found any difference between 4 hours versus 24 hours. So I personally only leave them for 4 hours because, of course, you know, flower person, I'm impatient and I want to arrange them as soon as possible with my other flowers. So I do 4 hours and they have not caused any damage to my other flowers, so I can safely say that you can do 4 hours and be okay as well. If you are growing these on a much larger scale, it's perfectly fine to leave them overnight. There's no harm. But I wanted to make a quick video and share the cutting and conditioning of the daffodils. I hope you have found this video helpful and it has added some value into your cut flower gardening. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.